You see that giant blob of green on the map? Yeah, that's the rain. Here it comes. It is not quite into central Ohio yet. We're still going to have another hour or two of some dry conditions before that really begins to move in. Columbus itself is dry, but you can see that out here on I-75, some of that is already starting to move in. So Dayton with a few sprinkles. Down in Wilmington, a little bit of rain starting to get there, but not quite to Columbus just yet. We've got plenty of clouds. We're at 47, feels like 42, wind out of the south, 10 miles per hour. These are your D.R. Horton America's Builder current conditions. 41 in Mount Vernon, Marysville's at 41, Delaware at 41, Logan and Athens at 47. And this rain is going to be with us through a lot of the night tonight. By 8 o'clock at the latest, a lot of it starts to get in. Might even get a little bit before then. So through the overnight hours, it's very soggy here in central Ohio, but it's mild. So the temperatures overnight tonight are going to dip to around 40 degrees, and that should happen pretty close to midnight. And then they'll start rising again, so it'll probably be at least the same temperature, if not warmer, when you get up in the morning, as opposed to when you go to bed tonight. So it's going to stay mild. So this 40 right around midnight or so. Rain and showers through the night tonight with very mild temperatures. Even warmer during the day on Friday with that south breeze helping to push in some warm air. But take rain gear. You'll want that on and off throughout the day. The actual low pressure center comes through around noon, and then it drags in some colder air behind it. So by the time we get into the evening, we may end up with a couple of quick snow showers. Doesn't look like they're going to leave much behind, so we're not expecting any significant accumulations out of this, but you might see a few snowflakes before it's all finished. Then Saturday, the wind changes direction. It'll be out of the northeast, so that's going to cool us down a little bit. Up again on Sunday, so it's that roller coaster situation again. Temperatures, as usual, coolest in the morning. Warming up into the mid-50s, even close to upper 50s during the afternoon. Plenty of rain on the way. I think some areas likely to get a quarter, maybe even a third of an inch during the daytime on Friday. On the way to school, you'll notice it's raining, so you'll want rain gear. Recess indoors for the day because it'll be too wet to be out on the playground. But the temperatures are going to climb into the 56, 58 degree range. So for this time of the year, that's almost 20 degrees above average. We get to call that warm for sure, but it'll also be a very windy day with winds gusting 25 to 30 miles per hour. It's part of what's keeping us warm. So windy, wet, and warm for your Friday. Cooler on Saturday. You remember what tonight's low was? 40. That's going to be Saturday's high, and that's still above average by a couple of degrees. Normal highs are 38. 55 for your day on Sunday. That's Groundhog Day. 53 on